What's up, everybody? It's Rob with Billet, and today I'm here to show you around our machine shop. Let's go. As you can see right behind me, we've got our CNC machines, which cut all of your aluminum pieces to its precise OEM specification so you can replace them in your custom builds with no hassle at all. You're probably wondering what happens before all of our aluminum goes into a CNC machine. Well, this machine behind me is what cuts down all of our actual larger billet pieces to the precise size. So then when we send them over to the CNC machine, we can just go for it. Get those parts cranking out to you as quick as possible. As you can see behind me, we've got our cobalt drill bit, powder metal, high-speed metal, and carbide. Once programmed into the CNC machine, as it's going through its process for each precise cut, the machine itself will rotate out and switch between all of these drill bits to make sure you're getting the proper OEM specification cut for your part. And that's it, guys. That's the machine shop. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, all the goodies. Subscribe to our newsletter, and we'll see you down in the comments. Peace.